Hey guys, and welcome to my actually clean kitchen. I thought it was the perfect time to share easy organization ideas. And I really wanted this video to be realistic ideas for real people, so I hope you enjoy. When organizing the kitchen, because it's so frequently accessed, I aim to have as few containers as possible in cupboards and really to focus on visual simplicity. You can see what you have and it makes everything easier to get to. The kitchen honestly doesn't need any more distractions. And if we keep it, it's because we actually use it. And here's some easy ways to maximize storage, and you can too. I love wire shelves from the dollar store for more space in your cabinets. A personal favorite of mine are these $1 corner shelves, which are perfect for small and awkward spaces. I think it's one of the best products you can get for your kitchen. Think outside the box and use visibility and these $1 plate dividers in drawers so you can have access from above. These are perfect for kids. Try inexpensive shoe organizers over your door for cups and snacks. Another great hack is to put wire shelving that you can cut down at the hardware store. This is the same shelving that you'd put in a laundry room. Lay it inside of your cabinet and it's perfect for visual storage. This is also great if you don't have a pantry because it's an amazing way to store cans so you can see everything. If you're looking for a cheap way to keep food fresh, an amazing free option are old pretzel containers. Take off the label and add your own. You guys know how much I love these Walmart canisters. They are under $10. We always keep them out on their counter and we use them every single day. They're one of my favorite finds. I also found the best containers, so our cereal wouldn't go bad. They're actually quality and save money and easy to pour with. I got them on sale at Macy's, I used a coupon, and I had 14% cash back from EBATES, so they were a great deal. When it comes to kitchen gadgets, these things can get super expensive, so make sure you have EBATES on your browser for those things that are more than a few dollars. Some of my most loved kitchen scores like can organizers, Lazy Susans, I've gotten online and I stacked with EBATES. So I got this pull-out can organizer from Bed Bath & Beyond. I got EBATES cash back plus a coupon and I love it. It maximizes our storage on a dime. EBATES has over 2,000 stores. I find the best places for kitchen supplies are Zulily, Walmart, Macy's, Kohl's, and Amazon. It's a totally free app, and if it's on your browser, you'll get cash back for the purchases you're already making and get a big fat check at the end of every quarter. I actually got $60 back for the bar stools I ordered for the kitchen from World Market. So for those bigger ticket items, it's definitely worth it. When it comes to saving money, you never have to spend a lot on containers. I never spend more than $1 for organizing containers. All of these came from the Dollar Tree. I love the locker style bins and the chalk labels on front. Their shape makes it really easy storage, perfect for the kitchen. Some more raves are under the sink stacking bins to maximize your vertical space. These are great. Within drawers, I love the white organizers with the gray grips on the bottom. And I love their kitchen organization wire mesh bins. Another score to keep your eyes out for are these $1 sliding bins. They're perfect for spices. Beyond the Dollar Tree, I also love the dollar section at Target. They carry a lot of really cool kind of rustic and vintage type items that look awesome in a pantry, and they're a perfect size for organizing snacks and chip bags. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it leaves you feeling inspired to tackle somewhere in your kitchen and think outside the box and on a dime when organizing. I'm gonna have a sign up link to EBATES down below. Tons of stores are offering up to 14% cash back for Valentine's Day, so be sure you take advantage. And there's a giveaway if you're looking to update some stuff in your kitchen, so be sure you enter to win. I am so grateful for you guys in this community, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye. Owen, did you find the cookies?
I eat all the... I changed my mind. Can I have
You ate all the cookies? I think I can tell.